Hey y'all, welcome back to my week of love. If you didn't see the first video, definitely check the description box. You can start off there. But today I am going to be sharing with you all my favorite conditioners and deep conditioners, the ones that I absolutely love. If that is what you're interested in, sit back, relax, and let's go ahead and get into it. Real quick disclaimer, these are my current faves. These are listed in a favorites playlist. Anything that I have used in the past, I cannot guarantee it is still a fave today. What is a fave today may not even be a fave tomorrow. So with that, let's just go ahead and start. I don't have too much of this left, but the Melanin Plumping Deep Conditioner, I say this every time that I mention this, she has every ingredient in here except for the kitchen sink, but it is still so lightweight. It's a moisture, protein, strengthening, balanced conditioner. And my coils drink this bad boy up. Absolutely love it. I've recommended it to my mom. She loves it. It is just an all-around great deep conditioner. Next, no surprise here. We're just gonna go ahead and pick up both of these. Adwoa Beauty's deep conditioner treatments. Listen, just to intensify the bailment from the moisturizing shampoo, you also get the same thing from the moisturizing conditioner. Some people don't like it. Fred love it, and I'm gonna give Fred whatever he likes. We've already discussed that. And really, this Blue Tansy reparator treatment is also moisture protein balance. I love it. She heavy, she thick. So if you're a fine haired girl, I wouldn't really recommend this for you because it might be too heavy. But listen, if you want to try it out, just add a lot of water. Don't use too much. Maybe incorporate some steam just so you don't have to use as much of the mask. But really, I love this. Fred loves it, and they are just so good, so good, so good. The Intensive Conditioner from Pattern Beauty. This is an OG original. I have loved this conditioner from the day that she dropped it. And if you have not seen me do an in-shower wash and go conditioning with this, you must be new to my channel, because this, you don't even have to let it sit for long, in which that's why I love using it for like just in shower wash and goes when I just need something really good and rich. This the one. I'm gonna have to get the jumbo because I love this intensive conditioner so much. Next up, the restorative conditioner. Y'all heard me talk about the shampoo in the previous video. The conditioner, they go hand in hand, okay? They go together real bad. I'm a big fan of using same product family together because they are built to give you a definite situation, and I really like this. Once again, for the kinky coily girls, you're looking for something to moisturize your hair, this is it. Also, it's restorative, moisture, protein, strengthening, balance, deep conditioners. I love a good balance. I like when because you know what, let's go ahead and talk about it, because I really do love the Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And what I've heard from people that I've recommended it to, they don't really like that their hair doesn't feel as moisturized, which I get it. That's why we have all of those. But sometimes a product is just made to do what it does. And this one is definitely strengthening when I just feel like, okay, my curls are weak. I don't really care about it being moisture protein balanced this week. Just give me the strength, okay? Father, give me strength. And so that's usually when I reach for this one. This is another staple. I usually always have this in my stash, but definitely know this ain't no moisture protein balanced one. Like she all about the strength, okay? I feel like this is the only regular conditioner that I might have in my loves, but once again, I could be partial, but I really like K18. For this to just be a regular conditioner, my hair feels so stinking good whenever I use this after shampooing. Baby, the last time, well, maybe not the last time, but a few times ago when I straightened my hair, I used the whole K18 line, and my hair just felt so incredibly lightweight. Just fresh Fred is exactly how it felt. But I really do love this Damage Shield conditioner from K18. And last but not least, I feel like y'all might be surprised by this one, but I really like the Bond Repair Mask from Shea Moisture. listen, I wasn't really impressed by how low on the ingredient list the actual bonding treatment was. For this to be a bond repair line, I expected it to be a little higher. But if you just need like a little moisturizing conditioner mask type treatment and you want a little bit of bonding effect, go ahead and pick this bad boy up right here. Like, you won't be disappointed. I liked it. My hair liked it. I just don't really, I see myself using it more so for moisture, and if a little repair is cool. But if you're looking for like a general bonding repair situation mask, I wouldn't reach for that, for that purpose. But it gets the job done as far as conditioning my hair. And so yeah, that is all that I have for my current favorite conditioners, deep conditioners. No, this isn't everything in my stash, but these are the ones that I tend to reach for a little more often. And as you can tell, I love me a conditioner. Comment down below and share your faves with me. I will meet you in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I truly appreciate you. I'll see you in the next one.